Hi, this is Chef Saravanan here. Today, how to make the Crepe Suzette in simple, delicious, in French classical, the dessert. We go for butter 20 gram, vanilla essence, salt, egg and baking powder, the one small orange in all-purpose flour, sugar and milk. Take it the very clean bowl and add the egg and butter plus the butter is as they required the how much you needed that much only we can use. Then added the sugar. I will use the 1/4 tablespoon. Then if you needed the more sugar you can use it. Then we need to mix it well. It's I look like the creamy structures when you the melting the sugars, that much we need to mix it well. So we are adding for the orange juice. We can use it the orange juice also is fine. So you can use it the QZ is very well the fine. Is not that much is required for the orange juice. So we are using for the small one portion of orange juice. Then you mix it the proper mix. Then we could for added the all-purpose flour. That one also is as the sherry crumples is not coming out. So we are adding the small one. Yeah, whatever you making the desserts, you need to use the small quantity of salt and baking powder is the baking powder is also important because this is the proofing and yeasting the something else is to soft tender is your better. So you are adding the now is vanilla essence. So vanilla stick also we can use. Then you can mix it well and keep up separate in few minutes in separate. So structure should be is coated from your ladle and spatula is should be covered. That is the structure of your pancake batter. Same like your yep. So we are go for the pancake. How to make the pancake? Is batter is ready. So we are go for pancake making. The non-stick pan it should be used in the non-stick pan because this is not sticking in the any part of sticky is not to happen. So we are using the non-stick pan. So same like is dosa something. We can use it in one or two. We put it per 2 tablespoon. This batter is enough, more than enough, because the time if we put in the more quantity of batter is getting the thick the pancake, that much is not required. The thin only is required for this crab saucer. Is see right now is making this color is will be getting the more important. Then the same one more time I will show you the how to make the pancake. Is only stand around slowly. If you turn is golden brown color. Yeah, because you need to put in the before that we need to put in the small quantity of butter in the pan. Then only is can coming the quantity of the brown like golden brown is getting your pancake. So right. So I making the two pancake and we go for the how to make the sauce orange sauce. So okay, we are using the leftover the sugars. We adding the 50 grams something, and then we using the lemon juice. That time I will told to the before that. Yeah, I'm using the ice orange juice is getting the caramelize the sugar and boiling the very well is making like sauce. So I will put in some orange cubes also. Without seeds, without skins, anything. I removed everything. I will put in the small. We can don't need to cut in small cubes. We can slit it and put it is enough, more than enough. So now the leftover the essence also we can use. So small quantity of the butter. So butter is why I want to put it in the butter. Butter is very important to the getting glacy and sauce. Okay, so the structure is should become like this. So our pancake sauce is orange sauce is ready. So we go for put in the pouring the pancake. This little bit is enough. Or this pancake you put in the pan sauce. You make it the slow fire. That one also fine, this one is also fine. Yeah, this is, see, this is the structure of your sauce. You put in, pour a small quantity in the tops. Okay, the glazeness is coming very nice. So see, if you want to the ice cream, we can use it. The vanilla is perfect. So where I am garnished with the orange skin, then orange. Actually we need to caramelize the orange slice. We can put it, yeah. Okay, I think you are the enjoying the Crepe Suzette, right? Then Chef Saravanan signing off Easy Cooking Kitchen. We are seeing next video for the very fantastic dessert. Thank you.